Hey garden family, I want to get everybody an update. After we had that little Arctic blast about a week and a half, 2 weeks ago, although I had my citrus plants in the greenhouse, I did not give it artificial heat. And we had some damage here. Uh, my plant over here, my citrus over here, this is the one that had the most damage. As you can see, we had some plants on it, or blooms or buds that were fruiting, and we had some new flowering buds there that didn't survive. Plus, the leaves are curled in distress. I was able to get one lemon off of that was almost fully matured. But today what I'm going to do is I'm going to fertilize it and give it some water. And this one back here, I'm not sure what type of citrus this is, but as you can see, it didn't do too bad. I do have some yellowing on the little fruit that's there. Actually, I got new buds. Wow, wait a minute, I got some new buds there. I don't know if you guys can see those little white buds in there. Right in there. Oh, that's promising. But I'm going to fertilize all of them. I did give them some water last week because the leaves were curled. And this one I hadn't gotten any fruit on it. But I'm seeing that the leaves do look a little perky. And not as limp as if they were dehydrated. And then this is my other one here. We got some leaf curls, leaf burn here. And it got a little bit of fungus on the soil, which I'll correct that today with the watering and the fertilizing. But I want to give you guys an update on that. So next time they tell us we're going to get a blast, we got about, I don't know, 10 degrees or lower, which is absolutely not the norm as far as the temperatures. And it was like 2 or 3 temperatures days back to back. But I'm going to correct those. Don't make the mistake I did, family, by not taking care of your citrus plants. Like we had some blooms fall off there. So as you can see, we got a lot of damage on this one. A whole lot of damage. I'm gonna fix that. It's just a mess. But I think they'll recover because the roots are well established. I'm just going to cut back these old spent blooms and these old fruit that was trying to grow out so the plant won't expend any energy trying to do anything with those. Thanks for watching. Keep gardening.